Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. How to make a guest bathroom welcoming. When guests come over, making them feel welcome and at home can be tricky. If you have a guest bathroom in your house, you know how important it is to give it the same attention as other areas of the house when decorating or remodeling. Crafting a warm and inviting atmosphere doesn't have to be complicated either. With just a few simple touches, you can create a cozy retreat that your visitors will love. Now let's explore some tips on sprucing up our bathrooms while still keeping things practical. How do you make a welcoming bathroom? A welcoming bathroom can be a sanctuary within your home, providing a relaxing and refreshing space to unwind and rejuvenate. It's a place where your guests will start and end their day. A well-designed bathroom can positively impact their mental and physical well-being. Here are some steps to make sure that your guests feel comfortable using your restroom. Keep it clean and tidy. Ensure the bathroom is clean and well-organized. Stow away items inside cabinets and drawers to avoid clutter, and keep the surfaces clean and dry. Good lighting. Good lighting is important both practically and aesthetically. Ensure the bathroom is well lit and the light fixtures complement the overall decor. Add some special touches. Little details can make a big impact. With a welcoming bathroom, you can help ensure that your guests enjoy their stay and feel at home in your space. What should you put in a guest bathroom? To make your guest bathroom more personalized and thoughtful, you can offer amenities that cater to your guests' needs and preferences. If your guests have sensitive skin, provide hypoallergenic products, and for those staying longer, consider offering a laundry basket for their convenience. To reduce waste, opting for eco-friendly products and packaging is advisable. Refillable soap dispensers and bamboo toothbrushes are great options that benefit the environment and make guests feel good about their stay. By incorporating these small touches, you can create a thoughtful and comfortable atmosphere that will leave a lasting impression on your guests. Add some wall decor for the guest bathroom. Welcome your guests to a well-decorated bathroom with the help of some creative wall decor. Wall art is an easy way to achieve this. There are various options to choose from that can complement the overall style of your bathroom. One idea to consider is displaying family photos or artwork created by local artists. This adds a personal touch and creates a sense of familiarity and warmth for your guests. If framed pictures are not your preference, consider using string lights to add ambience to the space. These lights can be easily adjusted to provide subtle lighting or to make a statement depending on the mood you want to create. Another option is to hang fun prints around the room. You can choose from inspiring quotes or unique designs featuring animals or plants that match your bathroom's aesthetic. Storage options for your guests. Ensure your guests have an inviting experience in your bathroom by providing ample storage space. Fortunately, there are various stylish and space-saving options available to choose from. Adding shelves and cubbies effectively provides easy access to items such as towels and toiletries. Consider repurposing old furniture like vintage dressers or wooden crates to store extra supplies or display decorative pieces for a more unique and creative approach. Hanging baskets or floating shelves are practical options that keep things organized and add a stylish touch. If you have limited bathroom space but still want to offer excellent storage solutions, consider investing in multifunctional items like over-the-toilet organizers. These organizers save floor space while providing easy access to frequently used products. Wall-mountable caddies are perfect for keeping hair dryers neatly stored without cluttering countertops, while freestanding containers are useful for grouping smaller items such as cotton swabs or travel bottles. By incorporating these storage solutions, you can ensure your guests have a hassle-free stay while adding a stylish touch to your bathroom. Remember to consider the size of your bathroom and choose storage options that fit well with your overall design aesthetic. Clean and organized vanity. When creating an inviting guest bathroom, the vanity area is a key factor that should be considered. A clean and organized vanity will ensure guests feel comfortable using the space. To streamline the process of organizing your vanity, start by decluttering and wiping down surfaces with an antibacterial cleaner. Next, consider adding baskets or containers where guests can easily access their toiletries and towels. Personal touches such as fresh flowers or scented candles can make the space more welcoming and cozy. How can I make a classy guest bathroom? When creating a classy guest bathroom, there are key elements to remember. A well-designed guest bathroom can elevate the overall ambience of your home and leave a lasting impression on your guests. From selecting the right color scheme and lighting to adding stylish and functional accessories, there are many ways to create a chic and sophisticated space. Provide your guests with a robe and slippers. Make your guests feel extra special by providing them with a robe and slippers during their stay. This simple gesture adds a touch of luxury and convenience for your guests, as they won't have to worry about packing their sleepwear. Consider offering 1 or 2 items per guest to show that you care. When selecting robes, choose a luxurious and practical material, such as soft and absorbent cotton waffle weave. Be sure to offer both lightweight and heavier options to suit different preferences. Look for slippers made from plush fabrics like terry cloth or velvet to keep your guests' feet comfortable throughout their stay. Adding these thoughtful touches to your guest bathroom can give visitors an unforgettable home-away home experience. Provide grooming essentials. To make your guest bathroom feel more hospitable, ensure it's stocked with essential grooming items like toothpaste, mouthwash, and shaving supplies. These small details can greatly impact your guests' overall experience. Consider going the extra mile by providing hair styling tools such as brushes and blow dryers, particularly if your guests stay longer or have an important event to attend. Add scented candles that emit pleasant fragrances and help your guests relax to create a cozy and inviting ambience. Remember, even small gestures can make a big difference and show your guests how much you value their time and presence in your home. Guest bathroom essentials. Having the right items in stock can help you create an experience that will encourage guests to return. It's important to ensure that the space is well stocked with essential items. Stock up on toiletries. When it comes to adding toiletries, consider investing in mini toiletries. Travel size items are perfect for any guest bathroom. They take up less counter space and are often kinda cute. Don't forget the basics like soap, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. Even if you don't have travel size versions of these products available, having them readily accessible will ensure that your guests feel taken care of during their stay. Bathroom essentials such as shower curtains or liners should also be considered. No one wants to deal with a leaky floor while staying away from home. Invest in high-quality towels. Investing in high-quality towels is essential when creating an inviting guest bathroom. No one wants to wrap themselves up with something scratchy or thin. Splurging on thicker and softer materials can make all the difference in comfort and convenience. It also shows your guests that they are valued during their stay. When choosing towels for your guest bathroom, consider colors and patterns that will help create an atmosphere of relaxation. Neutral tones like whites, beiges, and grays are great options as they evoke serenity. Also, think about functionality. Do you need hand towels? Bath sheets? Washcloths? Ensure you get enough, so everyone can access what they need while visiting your home. Add a bathroom rug. Adding a plush bathroom rug can be just as effective for making guests feel at home. A new bath mat can take any ordinary bathroom and turn it into something special. Plus, they come in various colors and patterns, so you're sure to find one that fits your overall aesthetic. When selecting a rug for your guest bathroom, opt for one with non-skid backing, so visitors don't have to worry about slipping or sliding while drying off after their shower or bath. Look for cotton, microfiber, and chenille materials, which are soft yet durable enough to withstand repeated use without losing shape or texture. And if there isn't much space for a full-sized rug, try strategically placing smaller accent rugs around the room instead. This will add extra comfort without taking up too much floor space. No matter what type of rug you choose, adding one to your guest bathroom will help make sure every visitor feels at ease during their stay. Whether it's an oversized piece that fills up most of the room or several small accents scattered throughout, having a plush and inviting area everyone can appreciate will go a long way toward creating an unforgettable experience for everyone who enters your home. Stock up on shower necessities. A must-have for any guest bathroom is shower necessities like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash or shower gel. Stock up on enough of these essentials, so visitors don't have to worry about running out before they check out. You can also add some extra luxury by including bath bombs, bubble baths, and even face masks, depending on how much you want to spoil your guests. With a bit of thoughtfulness and preparation, transforming your guest bathroom into an inviting paradise won't be hard at all. Wrapping up these tips on making your bathroom welcoming for guests. Creating a welcoming guest bathroom is a simple and easy way to show your visitors that you care about their comfort and experience. Small touches like wall decor, high-quality towels, and ample storage options can transform any ordinary bathroom into a cozy retreat. Ensuring your guests have everything they need during their stay shows them how much you value their presence and may inspire them to return. Remember, creating a warm and inviting space doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, it's the smallest details that make the biggest impact. Sprucing up your guest bathroom can elevate visitors' experience and make them feel exceptional. Remember to underestimate the power of a well-curated bathroom. It could be the difference between a forgettable stay and a memorable one. If you're ready to elevate your guest bathroom to the next level, consider working with Phoenix Home Remodeling. Our team of experts can help you create a stunning and functional bathroom that your guests will love. Contact us today to learn more and get started on your bathroom remodeling project. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.